Welcome to Dynabike's channel. This video will teach you how to install the e-bike. Firstly, open the upper cover and take out the accessories package. There are disc brake rotors, front axle, tool bag, and pedals in it. Next we open the buckles. There are 4 buckles in total. Pull up the outer box to remove it. Tear off the Velcro and box. Find the Allen wrench from the tools bag and use it to remove the screws on the handlebar. After that, put the handlebar on and pre-tighten the screws. Then adjust the handlebar to the proper angle and tighten the 4 screws. Finally, connect the instrument cable. Make sure the arrows on the 2 lines line up. This completes the installation of the handlebar. Next part, we install the front wheel. Turn the electric bike upside down. Tear off the Velcro that secures the front wheel, and take off the wheel. Prepare to install disc brake. Find out the disc brake rotor in the Allen wrench. Use the wrench to remove the screws. Make sure the arrow on the tire and the arrow on the disc brake rotor are in the same direction. Put the disc brake rotor on and tighten all the screws. Then, find these 2 wrenches in the front axle. Remove the spacers and nut on one side. Put the axle through the front wheel. Please make sure the installation direction of the axle is the same as in the video. Then insert these 3 spacers in order. Put the wheel on the front fork, leaving the black spacers on the outside of the fork. In the other side, 3 spacers are on the inside of the fork. Once the wheel is in place, put this spacer in and tighten the screw. Finally, tighten the axle with 2 wrenches together. This completes the installation of the front wheel. Next part, we install the front fender. Firstly, remove the screws on the front fork. Then, snap the front fender into the front fork and screw back the screws we just removed. This completes the installation of the front fender. Next part, we install the pedals. The pedals are divided into left and right. Please note the stickers on the pedals. Pedals can be screwed onto the crank by hand first, then tighten with a 15 caliber wrench. Next part, we inspect the various parts of the bike. Use the small Allen wrench to tighten the screws on the brakes, display, control buttons, and derailleur. Remember to adjust it to the angle that suits you. The last part, we unpack the charger and the battery. Put the battery on the e-bike. You will hear a click, which means it is installed in place. Don't forget to turn on the battery switch. You can long press the M button on the left to turn on the e-bike, and long press up button to turn on the light. Now we change the units from kilometers to miles. Firstly, turn on the e-bike. Press the up and down buttons at the same time. You can see the icon of kilometers is blinking. Press the up or down button to change to miles. Finally, long press the M button to confirm the change. Hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.